Hey guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. So in today's video, we are going to explain about the Elementor loading issue. So you might have seen whenever you are editing your website using Elementor, then you might be getting a issue called Elementor loading issue, or Elementor is not loading properly. So the issue will be like this. So what you need to do is, I'm going to explain how you can fix this issue using simple steps. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, you need to log into your WordPress website, the backend of your website. You need to log into there. And then you need to go to Elementor here, and then go to setting. Then go to advanced. Here you can see switch editor loader method. You need to enable this one. You just need to enable this one. And again, you should try whether Elementor is loading properly or not. Okay. So for me, Elementor is working fine. So I'm not going to enable this one. But if you are having any issue with the Elementor loading, then you should try this method. So this is one of the method by which you can just enable correct the editor. So by using this method, you can load your Elementor properly. So this is one of the method, but I will be explaining you 2 or 3 methods by using. You can just load your Elementor properly. Okay, so you can just try any of these methods and see whether it's working for you or not, and let me know in the comment section, so I will help you out. So this is the first method. You need to go to the Elementor setting here, and then go to setting, then go to again advanced, and then switch editor loader method, just enable it. Okay, I hope you got it. And the second method which I'm going to tell you is, you need to just go to plugins options, and yeah, after completing this one, make sure to save these changes. Okay, save these changes, and then go to plugins. So this is the second method. Okay, so if your Elementor is still not loading properly, you can just try with the plugin method. So you need to go to plugins, and you just need to deactivate all the plugins which you have installed. Okay, so any plugins you have installed in your WordPress, you just need to select that and deactivate it. Okay, just deactivate it. Apart from Elementor, it means Elementor should be activated. Okay, and apart from Elementor, every other plugin you should just deactivate that, and try with this method. Okay, and see whether the Elementor loading issue has fixed or not. So this is the second method, and then again check for the check whether your website is working fine or not. So try with this one. If this works for you, then you don't need to try all the methods. Okay, so let's go with the third method, and that is you need to update your Elementor to the latest version. Okay, so you will see the Elementor version here, view version 3.7.6 details, and it is saying or update now. So you need to update your Elementor with the latest version. Just go and click on update now, and it will be updated. And again, you just need to log into your website and see whether Elementor is working, loading properly or not. Okay, so the third method also we have done. And the fourth method is you need to go to new incognito window and then log into your WordPress website and see whether Elementor is loading properly or not. So from here also, if sometimes what happens, Elementor will load in this window, okay, incognito tab. Here Elementor will load and you can just uh, make uh, make changes to your website, so that you can do here from this window. Okay, so try with this one also whether it's working or not. And the fourth, actually the fifth one. Okay, so the fifth one, what you need to do is you need to just clear your all your crack cache. Okay, clear all your caches. So here you need to go to your setting option of Google Chrome and you need to clear all cache and everything related, whichever you have added to your Chrome browser. Okay, so you need to just clear cache cache of your Chrome browser. So actually I was having issue with the Elementor loading, and this one worked for me. I'm saying, okay, so I just clear all the caching. I just cached my Google Chrome browser and then everything worked fine for me. So now we will talking about the next step, which is changing your current theme. So Elementor might not load because of certain themes. So just need to go to appearance and then themes, and just change your theme. Change your theme to some other theme, then Elementor will load properly. So try with any of these methods and see which one worked for you. If one method has not worked for you, then you can try with the second one, third one, like that. Okay, just check which one worked for you. Okay, so all the best. Try to load, try to do any of these methods and see. Try to load the Elementor. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit a like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, guys. Bye. Thank you.